Yes, students, today we are doing chapter 10, back exercise. We have completed the chapter. So, the first question is, give two examples each of mode of transport used on land, water and air. Yes, Avni? The mode of transport used on land?
Car, bus, train.
Yes. You have to write two examples. Okay. And next, the mode of transport that are used in water. Yes, Ghazal. Ghazal, mute yourself.
Ma'am, ship and boat.
Yes, ship and boat. And the modes of transport that are used in air.
Aeroplane and helicopter.
Yes, so you will write the modes of transport used on land.
Ma'am, we have to write on book.
No, bacha, you have to write it on your notebook. Bus and truck, and in water, these are ship and boat. Here, and in air, you use aeroplane and helicopter. Minimum two example you should write. Okay, it is the answer number 1. Now next, moving to the blanks. So these blanks you will solve on your book. Okay. And next is 1 meter is dash centimeter. Jasum?
100 centimeter.
100.
Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So you will write 100 centimeter in the first blanks. Second is 5 kilometer is dash meter. Yes, Chahat?
5,000 meters.
Yes.
5,000.
5,000 meters.
Only that student will answer. Motion of a child on a swing is dash. Tanishka. Motion of a, yes.
Ma'am, periodic motion.
Yes, because in the swing the person is going in this way. Okay, in this way. So it is the example of periodic motion. Periodic motion. You have to solve blanks on your notebook. Sorry, book only. There is no need to write it on your notebook. Okay. So next is motion of a needle of a swing machine is dash motion. Swing machine we have discussed it yesterday. Yes, Avni?
Ma'am, periodic motion.
Yes, periodic motion. Periodic motion. Now next is fifth, motion of a wheel of a bicycle is dash. Lavish. Motion of a bicycle, of a wheel of bicycle. In this way it is moving. It is the
circular and
yes. It is the circular motion because the wheel is it is connected to a fixed point. So the answer is circular motion.
Ma'am, rectilinear motion will also be there.
Yes, because of if the cycle is moving the forward direction, there will be a rectilinear motion. Now next, why can a pace or a footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? Why we can't use footstep or a pace? Yes, Manpreet?
We cannot use a footstep or a pace because we all have the different length of our hands.
Yes. So the answer, it is not fixed measurement. Okay, it is not a fixed measurement, and also it varies from person to person. Okay, my foot length or any pace footstep will be different from your. Okay, so it vary from one person to the another person. Clear? And it is not reliable unit. Clear? Because it is varying person to person. So we have to choose the standard unit. Okay, that should not vary from one person to the another person. Okay, so thus we don't use a pace or a footstep as a standard unit of length. Clear? There are 3 points: that not fixed measurement, and it varies from person to person, and next is it is not a reliable unit for measurement. Okay, and next you will also write that the standard units should not vary from person to person. So we can't use pace or a footstep to measure any length. Clear? Now next is answer question number 4. Arrange the following lengths in their increasing magnitude. Means के हमें सबसे पहले लो वाला लिखना है, फिर सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा वाला. ठीक है? सबसे छोटी लेंथ कौन सी है? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, millimeter.
Yes. Next, Priyanshi. What will you write after 1 millimeter? Yes, Manpreet. I am rubbing this picture. Yes, it is centimeter. And then Kanishka?
Ma'am, meter.
Yes, it is meter. And next, Himanshu. At the last,
Kilometer.
yes, very good. 1 millimeter. And next, 1 centimeter. And next, here I am writing, bache, you have to write in one line, okay? So you will come to this. And next is 1 meter. And then 1 kilometer. Clear? Now, it is the answer of 4th. Now next is the height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. So what is the height of the person? So students, these are the that you have also done it in maths. Okay, but in maths we call it as sums. Okay, or word problems. But in science we use the word numericals for it. These are the numericals. Clear? That we are now starting. The first is the height of a person. So how will you write in the similar way as you do in the maths? Height of a person, you will write height of a person is equal to 1.65 meter. After point, you will not tell in this way 1.65. No, it is wrong. You will write, you will tell 1.65. Clear?
I mean,
Students, I will provide you notes. Just please understand the concept. Okay? Now next is height of a person is 1.65 meter. So we have to find it in centimeter. So firstly, I am doing in height in centimeter. Clear? And you all know that 1 meter is equal to... Yes?
centimeter.
Yes, bache?
100 centimeter.
Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the next is the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So we have to convert meter into centimeter. So here you have to write this first. Okay, and then you will write, now what is the statement? 1.65 meter. So here you will write 1.65 meter is equal to, so you have to multiply by 100 to convert into centimeter. So how will you do? 1.65 multiplied by 100. Clear? Yes, Tanishka. Bacha, you know, in the maths you have done points के नीचे ऐसे 1 and then 2 zeros. जो पॉइंट के जितने पीछे हैं डिजिट्स उतनी यहाँ पे जीरोस लगा देनी है. आपको आता है ये कंसेप्ट? ओके, सो ओके, ठीक है. नाउ इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. आपने क्या करना है? देयर इज अ पॉइंट, देन यू विल मार्क, यू विल राइट 1 ऑन इट्स प्लेस. ओके, you are saying that there are 2 digits, so for these 2 digits you will write 2 zeros here. Now next is multiply by 100. So 0 1 0 is here. ऊपर नीचे का आप कटिंग करोगे in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, आप सिमिलर में नहीं कटिंग कर सकते हो. Clear? So one should be in the numerator and other should be in the denominator only, then you will cut. Okay, so here it is 1 0 is in numerator and other is in denominator. I can cut it. So and other 0 I will also cut it. So the answer 165 multiplied by 1 is 165 centimeters. So because we have to convert it into centimeter, don't forget to write the units here. Clear? Now next is, you understand that the height of a person is 1.65 meter and you have to convert into centimeter. You will multiply by 100. Here I have done point के जो है 1 लगा के उसके 2 digits पीछे हैं तो there are 2 zeros. Okay, and then you will cut. Okay, you can't cut in this way. If there are 2, these are in the numerator, you can't cut in this way. So it is the wrong method. One should be at the numerator and other should be in the denominator. Clear? Now next, you have to express it into the millimeter. So similarly, I will do the second part also, but I will write second and height in millimeter. So mm is used for the millimeter. Clear? And you all know that how we can convert 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. If you don't know this, then you have to remember this. Okay, as you have also learned that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Similarly, you have to now 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So next, now you have to convert this. So you will write 1.65 meter is equal to, we have to multiply by 1000 now. Okay, so 1.65 multiplied by 1000. Clear? In this way. So here it is, there is any point, so point is in the place of point हम क्या लगा देंगे 1 and there are 2 digits, so there will be 2 zeros and then 1000. Clear? Now there are 2 zeros only and there are 3 zeros, so 1 by 1 it will cut. And second, now there is no third zero, so you can't cut it. What you will do? 165 multiplied by 10. The answer will be 1650. Clear? So next you will write the units also. It is very important to write units, millimeter. Okay, otherwise marks will be deducted if you have not written these units. Students, clear? Is there any doubt? So now next is the distance between sixth question I am reading. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. Express the distance into kilometer. So I am rubbing this. Suppose that it is the Radha's house and it is her school. Okay. And it is home and it is school. So the distance between The home and school is 3,250 meters. So what do we have to find? We have to find the distance in kilometers. So in the place of meter, there should be kilometer. Clear? So how we can convert meter into kilometer? What we have to do? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Jarvish?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, bache.
Ma'am, we have to divide it by 1000.
Very good. We have to divide it by 1000. So I am. Thank you. Very good, bache. So the next is distance between. Similarly, we have to write distance between Radha's house. Sorry, Radha's home and her school. Her school, it is 3,250 meters. Now we have to express in kilometers. Distance in kilometer. So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 of a kilometer. Yeah, in this way you will write. Here and next, how many meters are there? Now you will write 3250 meter is equal to 32. You have to divide by 1000. Yes. In this way you will write. Now see here, observe it carefully. There is only 1 0, so only 1 0 will be cut. So the next you will left with 325 divided by 100. Now you have to convert it into decimal form. Clear? So how will you write the decimal form? There is you have to introduce a decimal. So at the place of 1 you will write the decimal. So ये इसका हो गया, easy सा method है. देखिए 5 ये इसका एक 0 इसके साथ चली गई, ठीक है. नाउ ये इसके साथ अब 1 जहां पे है मतलब कि इनके सेंटर में डेसिमल लगेगा. Clear? So how you will write 3 point or decimal you can also say 3.25 3.25 and you will write the kilometer here. Clear? So see here the distance between is 3250 meters. You have to convert, you have to find the distance in kilometer. Okay, so you will write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. It is important you have to write this. Okay, so 3250 meter is equal to 3250 divided by 1000 kilometer here is here. Okay, so 1 0 is cut and then we have to place the decimal at the position of the 1. Okay, so you will write 3.25 kilometer. It is the answer. Now next. Yes, students, we have discussed first 6 question answer. The rest of this question answer we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.